what happens, what your mind thinks, the same thing your body perceives. कितनी बारी हम सोचते हैं ना, अरे ये बंदा मुझे मिलना चाहिए, और वो बंदा आगे आपको मिल जाता है ना. कितनी बारी, so many times it's not a coincidence. That is what your mind has perceived, and the same thing it happens with your body. So once upon a time एक आदमी को फांसी की सजा हो गई. तो the judge told that this man should be electrocuted. Electrocuted means उसको इलेक्ट्रिक का शॉक देके मारना चाहिए. तो बट जो एक बंदे ने वहाँ एक और जो पुलिस ऑफिसर था said why not we do an experiment instead of इसको इलेक्ट्रोक्यूट करने के लिए इसको क्या करते हैं, चेयर पे बिठाते हैं और इसको मुंह ढक के तो ना इसको ना सांप से कटवा देते हैं. तो उसको बताया कि देख हम ना तेरे को इलेक्ट्रोक्यूट नहीं कर रहे हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू किल यू विद द स्नेक्स पॉइजन. बोला ओके ठीक है, दैट वुड बी एन ईजियर डेथ फॉर मी. तो उसको क्या किया कि जब भी चेयर पे बिठाया और उसको बोला कि उसका फेस कवर कर दिया और फिर कहा सिना अभी ना उसको सिर्फ एक ना पिन चुभाया. दे जस्ट प्रिक द पिन. उसको पॉइजन स्नेक से नहीं बाइट करवाया. दे जस्ट प्रिक द पिन एंड व्हाट हैपेंड, दैट मैन डाइड. And later on in the postmortem report, they checked, and the same poison that is there in the snake, that snake poison was found in his blood. So this is what happens. What your mind, that is why it said na, to control your mind is very very difficult. The person who can control his mind, he can control the whole world. Manipulation, na? Controlling of the mind. There are so many movies also, children, you might have seen so many movies in which they control the mind. So when if you think that I am tired, so yes, you start feeling lazy. If you think I am fresh, I know this thing, so you will always be able to do that. But if you say I cannot, so the mind perceives that I cannot, and the waves that go into your body is that I cannot do this, even if it is an easiest of task. So always whatever you are talking, whatever things that are happening, that the brain has to perceive first. The brain has to be very very strong. The mind has to be strong to think that yes, I can do it. I have told you always, I told you 5 sentences in the morning we have to say. First is today is my day.
मैम पहला God is always with
sorry God is always with me.
Today is my day. I can do it.
I can do it.
I am the best.
And I am the winner. So if you say these 5 sentences every day, the mind will start working in that way. Okay? Thank you, children.